got some motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 old guys in the block.
So ayan guys. Ate, iwan po muna namin ito dito. Iwan po muna namin dito. Tara. Balik lang tayo. Wala pa tayong bihis. Ayan sila kuya oh. Dili na ta. Oh, nice kayo. So kami guys, wala. Uy, nakita naman sila Ate Marika ba? Nagkuan. Bicycle. Nandun, dali ah. So ayan guys. Ay kami po ay wala pang bihis. Balik pa ko kami. Balik po kami ng tricycle. Kano kuya? Kuha sa to Jin, dali Jin. Ang bete-be.
Ako na.
Ito na. Okay na te? Okay nagbayad te?
Wala pa nabayad pa.
Magkano kuya?
1.
Ha? Ako na te be.
Pila?
Magkano? Ako na mag-dipit-pitan na tabi. Gusto ko magpuro ka te.
Wala ko lang dito.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Angelie Vlogs. So for this video guys, nandito po kami ngayon sa Blue Rock. So na-late po kami dahil nag-asikaso pa po ako dito sa aking mga money booking. So ayan po sila si Loto. Papasok na po kami ngayon guys.
Mga kaibigan, napakasaya sa pakiramdam. Dodong, ako talaga yung nagdasal. Sabi nga ni Dodong, kita mo rin, kaya mo na yan. Okay. Sa pagkakataon kong ito, sa lahat po ng mga bagong dalit, kami po ay nagpapasalamat na kami po ay sinasamahan. Rachel, natutuwa ako kasi nakita ko na naman yung mga taong nakilala ko noong isang taon. Ang iba, nakakabati ko muna kasi like recognize ang kasama natin yung gabi. Mga kaibigan, gusto ko pong ipakilala sa inyong lahat. Ang ating po mga kaibigan at kasamahan. Ngayong gabi, nakikasaya po sa atin sa pagkakadagdagan po ang aming kapamilya. Yung mga bagong buhat at kasama ngayong gabi. Nais ko pong ipakilala sa inyo ang ating pong mga kaibigan who travel all the way from Manila representing the Trusa. Palakpakan po natin sila. Tumayo po ang lahat. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga kaibigan who travel all the way from Manila, headed by our beautiful Ma'am Maricar. Palakpakan po natin. Gawin po kayo sa amin. Pinapakilala ko po sa inyo mga nagmamahal sa aking silang Dodong. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman po, aking pinapakilala sa inyong lahat ang aking po mga kaibigan at tunay na nagmamahal sumusuporta at wala po ang lahat ay chinecheck. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating grandma from the paternal side of our dearest Langga, our grandma, Maria. Yeah! Yes, grandma, maraming salamat po. At syempre mga kaibigan, tatayo na po ng sabay-sabay ang side of the family ng ating pong Silangga. Tumayo po silang lahat! Yay! Thank you so much! Daddy T and Tito Maribel, together with the rest of your family, salamat po. At syempre pa, ang hari namin, Papa Rizan. Palakpakan naman po natin. Papa Ray! At syempre mga kaibigan, hindi po ako makakalimot sapagkat wala po langga, walang dodo, walang langga. Mga kaibigan, ang tatay ko po na nakita ko kanina ay medyo, anak, na-miss kita. Ladies and gentlemen, ang aking tatay, Papa Awet Matuma! And Mama Marichu Matuma! Ayan po! At syempre po, kung ever supportive ng mga kapatid ng ating po si Dodo, nandito po silang lahat. Anyway, baby, hinahanap din po sila. Talaga naman po naghahanda sila sa isang mas malaking sorpresa para kay Langga. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po muli si Ate Marion. At syempre nagtatampo yung crush ko. Napalagay ko yung crush na din ako. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan po natin. Huwag po magtatampo ang Roboys, ha? Kasi si Toto po talaga ang crush ko. Palakpakan po natin. Ayan, si Tito Mario hindi siya magtatampo, si Kuya Provinciano. Kasi alam niya, malinaw na ang lahat. Okay. And of course, the raw boys and raw girls of our dearest Rochelle, maraming salamat po. Mga kaibigan, sa pagkakataon po ito, nais ko pong kunin ang inyong atensyon. In this celebration, your Abby Marion is your host, but there is someone from our family who would like to welcome you formally. Please welcome ang aming nag-iisa, Daddy D. Palakpakan po, yeah! Daddy D!
Ayan, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat at welcome po sa 19th birthday ni Rachel. Happy birthday! So maraming salamat din sa Panginoon dahil binigyan tayo ng ganitong okasyon. Siyempre, karagdagang edad ng aking pamangkin. So hindi ko naman patatagalin na lang. Welcome po ang lahat at mag-celebrate po tayo at magsaya tayo tonight. Thank you.
Salamat, Daddy D! Nakakatuwa naman po isipin ang Daddy D mo talaga kanina ay sabi, bakit po? Kasi yung gabi ay maraming gusto po kami kay Langga. Yun nga lang, sila ay wala ngayong gabi. Right after our Tatay Rizal, I would like to call this time one of the beautiful brothers, or I'd say the one and only brother of our dearest Langga. Palakpakan po for our brother, Ian. Palakpakan! Hey!
Ayun lang po.
Mga kaibigan, yan po ang aming si Brother Ian. Sa kanya pong napakahabang mensahe, isa lamang po ang naunawaan namin. Masyadong expressive ang iyong kapatid, pero alam mo kung gaano kanya kamahal. Ladies and gentlemen, this time, napapag-usapan din po ang mga kapatid, why not call this beautiful lady who treats our Langga, her very own sister, palakpakan po for Miss Angeli. Ang kaibigan sa musika po, palakpakan po for dearest Angeli. Surprise, man. Thank you.
Ayan po, magandang gabi po sa lahat. So, na-surprise po ako. Akala ko po, di po ako mag-message. So, ayan. Unang-una, May, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo, marami pang blessing na dumating sa'yo at birthday na ma-celebrate mo. So, patuloy lang at nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo. Kung kailangan mo ako, i-chat mo lang ako. I'm your ate. One call away, ate. Thankful ako dahil nakilala kita at nagpapasalamat kami dahil kung mapunta ka sa Kubo, masaya si mama at papa, di ba? So, ayan, nandito lang ako palagi para sa inyo ni Kuya. So, basta patuloy lang sa pag-charity at i-chat nyo lang kami sa John Lindon para isama ka namin. So, maraming salamat yan lang.
Maraming salamat, Ate Angeli, for giving her, the assurance that no matter on behalf of all of them, a round of applause for Miss Cathy Bernandez. Palakpakan po. Hi there, Cathy. Alam mo naman, baby, na iba na yung mundo mo ngayon. Diba? Ayon sa gusto mo, nag-iba ang mundo mo dahil nag-iiba ang mga kaklase mo. Pero sana, eto din po, patuloy ko yung pagmamahala ninyo and make this relationship grow, okay? Thank you. Mga kaibigan, eto na po. Mula sa mga kaklase, meron po akong isang tatawagin.
Ayun, good evening po sa ating lahat and most especially po sa ating special guests ngayon, visitors po coming from different places pa, nagbiyahe pa para mag-celebrate po dito sa birthday ni Langga. And sa mga friends po ni Langga, thank you so much for attending this event, this special event. So, nung nakaraang birthday, so nag-message na po ako doon yung sa first celebration po niya. So dito lang po ay simple lang, no? Happy birthday kay Langga, and I know na talagang syempre focus naman talaga sa school, sa studies, and dito sa pagbabalance niya dito between sa mga supporters, sa pag-update, and sa kanyang family. Believe din po ako dahil nababalance niya, di ba, sa kanyang ganyang edad. So pagpatuloy mo lang, padayon lang, and sa atin naman, padayon lang, di ba, kasi succeeding si Tita Marion last year kung anong nangyari, di ba. So mas lalo tayong papapatakin, magiging stronger, much stronger pa, and deadmahin lang yung mga struggles, mga bashers, di ba, kasi part naman talaga yan sa buhay natin kasi nasa social media tayo. Basta isipin mo lang, andito lang ako palagi sa'yo, and magiging taga-cheer up and support system mo. Padayon lang, and I love you.
Dong, maraming salamat. Alam mo nung sinabi ni Dong, saksi si Tita Marion, di rin mo kiligin, pero talagang nag-goosebumps ako. Nakakaloka. Daddy, yung mga anak niya, pauwi niyo na nga. Anyway, Dong and Langga, ulitin ko, Tita Marion may not be on social media. But you know what? My word, I think, is powerful. When they say, Dodong and Langga, please support. Because I know the kids. They have hearts. Totoo yan. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna give the dance floor for Dodong and Langga. For Daddy D prepared a very special song. Ladies and gentlemen, Daddy D with Dodong and Langga on the dance floor.
Isa sa mga paboritong awitin ni Rachel.
when you hug Dodong, just go. I couldn't explain it, really. I am a mother, and of course, I have a teenager back at home, but I know your heart. Thank you for balancing everything, most especially loving Dodong. Bilib ako. Mga kaibigan, sa pagkakataon pong ito, kami naman yung may surprise sa iyo. Pwede bang bigyan ka namin ng upuan? Okay. Dodong, dito kami. Eto na po. Mga kaibigan, ang gabi pong ito ay punong-puno ng sorpresa. At sana po yung sorpresa, maging masaya po kayo. Upo po tayo. Dodong, bibigyan ka din namin ng upuan dito. Sige po. Mga kaibigan, sisiguraduhin po namin masaya. Everybody, let's go! Let's cheer them! Where is Titay? Ay, mga kaibigan. Yun naman pala talaga yung naganda. Eto na. Folks, this is something that Titay and Tita Dudal rehearsed. Actually, hindi po sila rehearsed. Hey! Let's go! Hey! I love it! Hey! Eto na! Palakpakan mo! Walang hassle. Sige, labas mo sa papel. Mga kaibigan, eto na. Trixie, umayos ka. Ang hinirin mo, umayo pa man lang makakaratak ka na sa papel. Okay, sige na. Ayan, mga kaibigan, ang galing. Serious! I love it! Oh, yeah! Hey! Stand! Ito na! Sige, go na. Go. Yan. Ayan. Bakit ganun yung mag-asawa? Parang kayo na magtabi. Eto, nakikilig ako eh. Alam mo sa totoo lang? Okay, sa papel. Labas sa papel. Alam niyo po ba sa totoo lang? Itong paper dance na to, dito po na buo. Nag-iisip na sila mga kaibigan. Oops, eto na. Mga kaibigan, eto na. Okay, tulungan niyo po kami. O, sige. Langga, umayos ka. Birthday mo ngayon. Pero pag nahulog ka dyan, wala kang immunity. Ang galing. Very good. Palakpakan po natin. Eto na. Kuya to, halika na dito. Kaibigan, para po sa 50,000. Para mapapatay ako ng mga kwintitas ko ng truso. Pataas yung premyo ko eh. Okay, guys, tiklopin na natin yan. At totoo lang, ako naman pumunta. Ayan na, mga kaibigan. Eto na. 3 seconds. Tita ya. 3 seconds. Hala! Baliktad! Tingnan mo si ate. Okay na po. Bilangan. Okay. Pasok din. Ano yun? Ang galing. Ano? Isa bang tiklop ba? Ay, sandali. Birthday mo ngayon nilaga. Ano mga po yung sabi mo? Isa bang tiklop. Ay, isa bang tiklop. Diba? Inilaban. Sabi na kasi, inilaban ko kasi galing ng dodong ko eh. Super sayaw! Eto na! Ayan na mga kaibigan. Isa na ha. Wala na akong ano dyan ha. Wala na akong masabi dyan. Wala na akong masabi. Pumasok! Eto po. Pumasok din. Ano kayo?
Wala na.
Ayan, sige ha. Isa. Dalawa lang pumasok sa 3.
Op.
Wait ka daw. Tingnan, nagbibigay tayo eh. Ang ganda ng eksena, parang Korean telenovela. Tapos biglang umuulan. Tapos may sasag, kuya, tulog ka. Angat. Kaya Toto, okay lang ka na. Sabi po ng ano, okay daw. Mga kaibigan, lahat. Dahil meron po tayo, meron po tayong mga kaibigan, okay? So, ako na sorpresa. Ngayon ko lang talaga ito makikita. Ayan. Sige po, mga kaibigan, syempre po, hindi naman po natin babaliwalain, okay? O hindi bibigyan ng isang maganda pong pagpupugay ang mga regalong ito. Ate Langga, Bibi ko, meron tayo dito mga mensahe na babasahin ko sa iyo, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, let us listen first, okay, to the letter that was written. Ito pala yung first page. Shall I read this natin? Okay. Happy birthday, Rachel. On your special day, we'll lift you up to the Lord with so many prayers. Very nice. We pray that He will guide you to a path that brings you peace and comfort. That He will be there for you when things get tough. And that He will protect you from any harm. We know life hasn't been easy for you. At such a young age, you already stood as a breadwinner for your family. But even with all of that, you didn't let go of the dreams you've always had. It wasn't an easy journey, but you walked through it with so much courage and determination. Remember that you are not alone, diba? When you're feeling overwhelmed, exhausted, or unsure of what to do next, know that you can always turn to God. He hears the cries of our hearts and gives us the strength we need. So run to Him, anak. You can always rely on Him. Have faith in Him, trust Him, and most importantly, find peace and hope with Him, in Him. If you call on His name, He will always be there to guide you and encourage you in your lowest points. As you start this journey with your studies, do your best, knowing that God will give you the knowledge and wisdom that you need. Don't be discouraged by the obstacles you face. They are part of the process. I know this journey will lead you to something great, opening doors for the better future you want. With your hard work and determination, countless blessings will come your way. Don't think about how tough the journey might be, but instead stay faithful and strong because He will guide you to the path you truly deserve. As your fans, okay, the hint, your fans, we are so proud of everything you've accomplished at such a young age. Keep walking with your head held high, knowing that you are loved and supported by so many. Keep your heart pure, your mind focused, and your spirit strong. And always remember that the Lord promises in Isaiah 41:10, so do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. As the verse says, do not fear what's ahead, because He will always be by your side, guiding you to the path you truly deserve. He will strengthen you and help you, because He is that one God who never fails. Keep praying and praising Him with all your heart. May this new chapter of your life be filled with hope, joy, and endless blessings. Happy birthday again, Rachel. Stay strong and faithful always. God bless you abundantly. This is from the Team Rochelle of Isabela and Cagayan Valley Chapter, headed by Marilyn Daggio. Palakpakan naman po natin. Admin and members, Ma'am Rosita Abubo, Ma'am Rosemary Mantilla, Ms. Julianne M., Ms. Marisa Bruno, Ms. Mila Mangaong, Ate Lori, and Ms. Josephine Sapico. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Ate, please do the honors naman ko. Okay. I think Dodong would actually assist us, ma'am. Yeah? Yes? Sige, Kuya. I think ikaw na lang po yung mag-aabot na lang din because it's sweeter. So that's from our Cagayan friends. Thank you so much. Our next one, okay? Ooh, we love Rochelle. Who doesn't love Rochelle? Diba? Everybody does. Happy 19th birthday, Langga. Stay safe always. We love you. From Rochelle forever. Titas, Aida, Alma, Benny, Juvie, Leonora, Maddie, Nilda, Joya, Rose, and Rose. Palakpakan naman po natin. Kuya Dodong, please, okay, extend this also. 30 res Langga. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan naman po natin. Okay? We're trying to read everything because they deserve this. They really deserve this. And our next one. Happy blessed 19th birthday to Langga Rachel na nag-iisang langga sa buhay ni Dodong Ruel Matubang. O naman, pag may pangalawa, mananagot talaga sa akin si Dodong. Charing lang. Wish lang namin sa iyo good health at focus sa mga goals mo. Padayon lang sa buhay. At mahal ka namin mga ka-Honey Bee. God bless and more blessed birthdays to come. From Rochelle Team Honey Bee, Alan Maningo, Nonoy Mariblanca, Alma Orante, Angie Artemio Limbago, Cristina Daos, Elia Posmilia, Maymay Raguno, Eva Channel, Grace Navarro, Judeline Malupa, J. Rose Bernas, Mary Hope, Nelsie Sangan, Ate Rowaida, Teresa Bautista, and Jeff Lordy and Sally Phil. Palakpakan po. OMG! Here is the letter. Thank you very, very much to Ka-Honey Bee. Mga kaibigan, ang taray ng pangalan. Ka-Honey Bee. Okay, yes ma'am.
Yan naman na.
Ito na ba yun? Okay, ito na. Dearest Langga, another letter. Rochelle Kalanga Group. Their message. To the shining stars of the Rochelle community, Roel of Malalag and Rachel Morales, as we approach the celebration of our first anniversary on July 31, 2025, we take this moment to honor two of the most radiant lights in our journey, Dodong Roel and Langga Rachel. Your unwavering dedication, boundless generosity, and genuine love have become the heartbeat of the Rochelle Kalanga Group, formerly known as Barangay Rochelle. I love it. You are more than leaders. You are pillars of hope, symbols of unity, and inspirations to every member of our growing community. Through your vlogs, your kindness, and your shared mission, you've touched countless lives and brought people together in the spirit of compassion and joy. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the Trusa family for their beautiful collaboration of Langga Rachel's birthday celebration, and we warmly send belated birthday joyful wishes to Dodong Roel. Belated happy birthday, mahal. To our beloved Rochelle Kalanga, titas, members, marathoners, and the ever-supporting officers and admins, thank you for believing in this dream and making a shared reality. Happy birthday, Langga Rachel, and belated happiest birthday, Dodong Roel. May your journey together continue to overflow with blessings, courage, and an ever-deepening love. You are not only admired, you are deeply cherished. With all our love and profound gratitude, May Delmo, the president of the Rochelle Kalanga Group. Palakpakan po. And comes with this letter are the cakes. Palakpakan naman po. We have the cakes. Okay, please, I'm gonna read this one. Okay. Okay, let's see. Belated 26th birthday, Dodong Roel from Team Rochelle Kalanga Titas. And the other one, happy 19th birthday, Rachel, from just the same group, Kalanga. Palakpakan naman po natin. Yes, okay. Mga kaibigan, may talaga po ito na may pinapabasa. Dodong Roel, belated happy birthday to the most amazing man of our Langga, Rachel. May your life be filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable moments. Here's to another year of fabulous scouting and exciting adventures with your staff and your beloved Langga. Wishing you all the best in the year ahead. Cheers, Rochelle Kalanga Group. Okay, and the other one with a cake. Happy birthday, Langga Rachel. On your special day, we wish you all the joy and happiness in the world. May this year bring you new adventures, cherished memories with your Kalanga Dodong, and endless opportunities. You light up the lives of those around you, and we are grateful to have you in our life. Celebrate big and enjoy every moment. Here's to another amazing year ahead, Rochelle Kalanga Group. Palakpakan naman po. Meron po pong isa. Happy birthday, Tita Marion Cartel. Ay, hindi mo sa akin ba to? Sorry lang. Okay. 1 year with you feels like a dream. We never want to end. Happy anniversary, mga Maglangga in public. April 28, 2025. Hello, Rachel. The love you share as a couple is more than beautiful. It's powerful. Together, you turn the love into a force for good, lifting others, and the love into a force, into the lighting way with compassion and purpose. Your unity, generosity, and shared mission are proof that when two hearts come together in love, they can change the world. Keep inspiring. Your love is your greatest gift to humanity. Rachel Rochelle Kalanga Group. Palakpakan naman po. Okay, eto na. So the cake, okay, the letters came with cakes and bouquets. Palakpakan naman po natin. How wonderful! Kalangnes from Qatar. Kalanga chapter from Qatar. Okay. Okay, and this one is also from Qatar chapter mga Langga. You have a cake. Happy birthday, Rachel, from Team Kalangga Qatar chapter. Happy 19th birthday, Rachel, from Team Rochelle Isabela Cagayan Valley chapter. Palampakan naman po natin. Everybody, let's give them a warm applause. And we don't say no to everybody who has been extending, kasi alam niyo po ba, yung kunting pasasalamat po, actually hindi naman po nila kailangan na i-announce natin at i-broadcast ito. Pero kami po talaga, ito lang po yung paraan namin para maibalik po ang aming pong marugdog na pasasalamat. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, ang taray. Salamat na, matagal po birthday ko sa August pa. Okay, eto naman po, from Tita Desunga for Ruel, for Dodong! Dodong! Belated happy birthday to say baby. And of course, we have, eto na, from Tita Desunga, and, dalawa po ito, parehas. From Tita Tess, these are all for Langga. Langga from Tita Tess, oh my goodness. They know you love bags, diba? And of course, this one, eto naman mga kaibigan, for our dearest Dodo, from Team Rochelle Forever Titas. Palakpakan naman po natin. Dog, ito ang pinakamasayang nakakapagod, di ba? Pero hindi nakakapagod, pero masaya. Eto na. Yes, Pop, Daddy D. Picture pa yun na may, tapos may kasama pang figurine. Sabi niya, Ama, cross-stitch. Sabi ni Grandma, cross-stitch. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, baby. Show everybody, mga kaibigan, palakpakan naman po. It's a brave cross-stitch. Baby from Mount Villora, maraming salamat po. Just look at this Langga. That would be one of those things that you could adorn your little home with big hearts. Tama po ba? Palakpakan naman po natin. Ang daming tinatawag na ingenuity. Ayan, yung mga kakaibang regalo. Kasi usually they're all equally special. Salamat po. Diba na mag-smile si Langga? Pasok. Ginawa niyo pong mas masaya ang ating Silangga. Thank you, thank you. Who have actually extended their hearts. Mahang, I'm gonna go to the ones who made the best effort to give you this night. Walang iba. Pagka naman po natin, you know what? Traveling to Bicol is never a joke. Palakpakan po natin. At nakarating po siya. Ma'am?
Salamat. Happy birthday, Langga. From Queen of Titas, happy birthday. God bless.
Palakpakan po natin. Mga kaibigan, Ma'am Marie Carr, together with our beautiful ladies and gentlemen who travel all the way from different places in the Philippines, that money bouquet is from Inspirasyon Tren para po kina Dodong at Langga. Baby, please pay this forward. Alam ko na nagsimula na kayo ni Dodo. At ang hindi ko nakakalimutan, Tita, lahat, syempre, ng magagandang bagay, we will pay forward. At lahat ng hindi magandang naramdaman namin. Hindi ko po makakalimutan na sinabi yan ng mga batang ito. Palakpakan naman po. What pure hearts they have. Eto na. I have this one. And it's a very special present coming from the Queen Titas of Trusa for our very own Dodong Ruel as their advance gift for reaching almost his 500,000 subscribers! Palakpakan po! Dog on stage, and may we have once again the beautiful Ma'am Marie Carr. Yep, look at this. Mga kaibigan, their success, our success. Palakpakan naman po natin. My God! Langga, please take a photo naman of Tita Marie Carr. Please be on stage po with Langga and Dodo. Magpa-picture po tayo. Alam ko po na lahat naman ay representative ng Queen Titas. Pero eto muna po, let's start with our dearest Madam Marie Carr. Look at this. Dodo, 500,000 subscribers. Palakpakan naman po natin. You're doing great. You're doing so great. And that's an advance gift. Okay, mga kaibigan, all of these beautiful people have joined together. Palakpakan po.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa lahat. Especially po sa family ko, sa family ni Langga. Sa mga friends ko na dumalo, na in-invite ko talagang dumalo sila kahit wala silang masusuot. Siyempre sa mga kaibigan ko since senior high school. At syempre sa mga titas na galing pa sa malayo, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo po dito sa aking pangalawang celebration ng aking birthday. Maraming salamat po. Syempre sa mga nag-organize dito, maraming salamat din po. And syempre, lalong-lalo na po sa major sponsor ng gabing ito, maraming salamat po sa pagparanas po sa akin ito. Napaka magarubong birthday na hindi ko nararanasan noon. Maraming salamat po. Lahat ng ito po ay pinapasalamat ko sa Panginoon at syempre, sana ay mas talo pa kayong i-bless ni God dahil sa mga binigay niyo po sa amin nilangga. And sa mga regalo pong natanggap namin na sobrang dami na dati hindi ko po natatanggap itong mga to kasi wala eh. So ngayon po nagpapasalamat po ako ng sobra-sobra mula po sa puso ko. Thank you so much po. God bless. Maraming salamat po kay Tita Maribeth Castillon.
Kuya pa.
Ayan po. O, sige po. Mga kaibigan, our matubang. The matubang side of our family. And this time, gusto ko naman po tawagin, syempre po yung ating pong family. Ayan, si Grandpa at saka si Tito Dudan. Kueloy, Ate Bel, pasensya na. Sabi nga nito, kita may pahasi, araw mo na. Syempre, si mga bisita mo na, yung malinod anek. Sige po.
Ha? Tinood na? Tinood daw na. Okay, panida. Tinood na tanan daw. Tinood na tanan.
Our Papa Rayson. Let's give them a round of applause. Pop! Okay, happy birthday! To the sweetest life ahead! For the palakpakan po! What's that? Ang dami! Say thank you to Papa. Thanks, Papa! Yay! Okay pa, salamat po. O, ikaw na. Sige, tingin. O, Papa, ikaw naman. Ganun kabait po yung anak nyo. Ayan. Oy, palamakan po natin. Papa, have the sweetest life ahead po. Thank you. Okay, ladies, stay on stage. Mga kaibigan, this time, may we kindly request everybody. Tumayo po ang lahat. Let's hold our glasses. Hawakan po natin ang ating mga baso. And to propose a toast for our birthday girl, Langga, here we go. For our dearest Dodong Ruel. Palakpakan po.
Just hold your glass and this wish po is for Langga Rachel as her 19th year of existence. So I wish you more birthdays to come, good health always, and a year or a lifetime full of happiness and love. And syempre, just cherish every single moment of your life and always thank to God for all the blessings that you receive every day. So happy birthday, and everyone have a toast and
Oh,
You